Today, we're diving into the world of rugged luxury and extreme performance with the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 camper. A masterpiece of engineering built for off-road explorers, this camper sets new standards for comfort, capability, and durability. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the ever-growing world of adventure RVs. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious, modern cabin that blends adventure-ready utility with premium comfort. The materials are durable yet upscale, from reinforced eco-leather seating to rugged composite wood finishes. The living area includes a large smart TV, a premium surround sound system, and wide panoramic windows to enjoy stunning views anywhere you travel. The kitchen comes equipped with high-efficiency appliances, including an induction cooktop, a compact oven, a dual-zone fridge, and even a purified water dispenser. The bedroom features a full-size elevated bed for maximum comfort, and the ensuite bathroom includes upgraded fixtures and a rainfall-style shower, ensuring that you enjoy home-like convenience no matter where the trail leads. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 camper is a true beast of design. With its bold, angular bodywork and aerodynamic camper shell, it handles wind efficiently while maintaining serious off-road toughness. The exterior is finished with Toyota's specialized scratch-resistant ceramic paint for maximum durability during rough expeditions. A power-extending awning creates the perfect outdoor space, while the heavy-duty beadlock wheels and iconic Toyota badge add unmistakable presence. Built on a reinforced 6x6 chassis with high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum components, it offers unmatched stability and capability. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 camper is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 system that combines brute force with modern efficiency. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountain trails, or towing through rough back roads, this camper delivers an exceptional off-roading experience. The powertrain produces impressive torque, while the advanced multi-terrain suspension ensures comfort even on rocky paths. The 6x6 drivetrain includes a smart torque vectoring system that adapts to changing terrain instantly. Additionally, Toyota equips the HikeCruze with advanced driver assist features, including off-road trail cameras, auto crawl mode, and tight space steering assist. It's truly a vehicle that delivers the perfect blend of power, tech, and capability. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 camper is designed for serious adventurers, and its pricing reflects its premium build. With a starting price of around $350,000, it's more affordable than ultra-luxury RVs, but still offers exceptional capability and value. The price includes specialized off-road equipment, premium interior comforts, and Toyota's legendary engineering. When you invest in the HikeCruze 6x6, you're not just purchasing a camper, you're embracing a lifestyle built around exploration, strength, and freedom. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota HikeCruze 6x6 camper is a remarkable combination of rugged performance, modern comfort, and advanced technology. It delivers the kind of versatility and sophistication that adventurous travelers need in the wild. Whether you're planning a cross-country expedition or seeking the ultimate off-grid experience on wheels, the HikeCruze 6x6 delivers on every promise. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.